Every marketer wants to create eye-catching stories. But the question is, how? Imagine you're creating content for your brand that needs to be published in offline and online channels. You're working with different teams, agencies, freelancers, and other stakeholders. All your stories and assets need to go through approval processes, be versioned correctly, and optimized for multiple channels.
Where's the file? I can't find it.
It all gets a little chaotic, doesn't it? Imagine a headache-free content creation and approval process, clear workflows, and one place to store all your stories and brand assets. WoodWing enables you to create approval flows, version your content, collaborate, and easily store and share your assets. You can even integrate it with the systems you're already using. So you can create your content and make it look great, no matter the channel. Now, all that is left for you to do is focus on creating your amazing and eye-catching content. Every brand has a story. Our solutions help you create yours.